Hello travelers! What's new in town? Join me as we discover the new resort at Pandan Antique, Solsticio Azul Beach Resort. So this is exactly located at Inigman Patria Pandan Antique. Very accessible since along the highway lang ang resort na to, and kung papunta ka ng Libertad Antique, madadaanan mo to because this is exactly located at the boundary of Pandan and Libertad. So upon entering here, you'll see this very big gate made of wood. O diba? Very aesthetic. Very unique and very cozy, of course. And this resort has 4 A-framed villas and a restaurant where you can dine your breakfast, lunch, and dinner, but they strictly prohibit bringing outside foods because meron talaga sila ditong you can choose a lot of foods here since magaling din magluto yung chef nila dito. And every villa pala guys ay merong pangalan. So ours is Vida. And ayan, siya si Vida. Charot. Very spacious tong villa na to. Spacious din yung CR. And yeah, my favorite part of the CR, the mirror of course. Ang kagandahan lang din dito kasi meron silang hair dryer. Good for 6 pala tong villa na to na nakuha namin. And dalawa dito sa baba. Merong loft space sa taas where 4 persons can fit. Dalawang bed doon. And then here, the view ay ang napakagandang dagat at ang pool, of course. Grabe, very relaxing dito. I'll tour you naman doon sa loft space sa taas where you can find 2 beds. 2 for each bed. 2 persons for each bed. And pag may kids naman, kasya naman kasi malawak. Huy, malawak! Malaki naman yung bed. And malaki to dito. Pwede rin maglaro, wag lang maghabulan kasi mauuntog talaga kayo dito. Grabe, very Instagrammable talaga yung view dito. Look at that, diba? Pagising mo sa umaga, yun yung bubungad sa'yo. Ang ganda. Kumbaga yung stress level mo, bababa siya bigla. Tulad nito, baby ko, laging minsan bumababa ang stress level ko dito, minsan talaga tumataas ng bahagya. Joke lang. Syempre, love ni mami yan. And don't worry guys, yung salamin na yan ay hindi naman yan kita dito sa loob. I mean, hindi kayo makikita sa loob. Meron yung blinds, at the same time, tinted yan siya. And this is how it looks outside. Sakto lang din yung area nitong resort. Hindi siya gaanong malaki, but you can really enjoy the amenities here. Like, eto, pwede kayong mag-ride. Marami kayong pwedeng gawing activities here. Ride an ATV. Nakaka-adrenaline rush to. And careful lang guys, kasi baka dumiretso ka doon sa dagat. At hindi mo na maiahon yung ATV, diba? You can also enjoy kayaking. Pwede dito yung 4 na tao. Pero kung gusto mo mag-isa ka lang, pwede rin, diba? Why not? Or couple. And I guess naman pwede mag-day tour dito as long as bibili ka ng food sa kanila. And punta ka lang dito sa beach, then you can take photos, diba? Or video. And then post it sa Instagram or Facebook or TikTok, diba? But this one here is very relaxing talaga. Like, alam mo yun, yung gusto mong magmuni-muni pero bigla kang tinawag. And here, since nag-avail kami ng kanilang promo rates, 2 villa na yung binook namin dahil marami kami. Ganito din yung view niya sa gabi. Ayan. So, if you are planning to go here, guys, you can message the resort. Itatag ko dito sa post na to. And enjoy! Enjoy the rest of the vacation. Alam nyo, kahit overnight stay lang yan, hindi nyo mararamdaman talaga. Akala nyo ang tagal kasi ang ganda talaga. Very relaxing. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.